Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adila Nurwahyunita. I am from Class 1A Management, Faculty Economy and Business, Muria Kudus University. In this video, I will explain business ethics in Singapore. Singapore continues to be voted one of the easiest places to do business in the world, and it is also a place of fusion of culture and commerce, and a major place of business from all over the world. Singapore is also home to four national languages and several different cultures, influenced by tradition and other outside influences. When doing business in Singapore, your meeting may be more productive if you have some tips and insight on ethics. Singapore is a cosmopolitan country and generally maintains international standards in business. There are several nuances that are commonly used by Singaporeans in running a business. The most important thing is dress code. The country is located 1 degree north of the equator and the weather is generally hot and humid. So, business attire without a coat or blazer is fine. You don't even need to wear a tee if the meeting isn't very formal. In business meeting, when meeting for the first time, a handshake is sufficient. Saluting is completely unnecessary unless it is required in certain cultures. Maintain reasonable body contact and keep some personal space between you and the person you are talking to. You will find that after shaking hands, Malays usually place one hand on their chest. This is a culture greeting and you don't have to do the same if you are not of Malay descent. If in doubt, all you need to do is shake hand politely and give a friendly smile. Business cards have an important role in Singapore. Business cards are needed in almost all first encounters. The standard of politeness in giving business card is with both hands, with the inscription on the business card pointing at the recipients. Receiving business card is also done with both hands as a sign of respect. When you receive a business card, it is best to look at it for a moment. Hold it for a while, then place it on the table with it face up during the meeting. Well, most people won't be offended if the business card is tucked away in their pocket. It's still best to following the process. In some office and almost every private room, you will be asked to take off your shoes. This is very reasonable if you can simply put your shoes on the door. Be careful when giving gifts. When you are invited to a social event by a business associate, it is a good idea to bring a bottle of wine. The host doesn't drink because of religion, bring some chocolate. Tip but a costume in Singapore appreciated here. The country is a global hub and is home to tourists from all over the world. Stay sensitive in your behavior and ask questions when in doubt. Then your business trip will be more productive.